I am Eoghann of the Guardians of Nature. And you may have, when you hear my energy, when you hear and feel and experience me, that you have this image of a warrior in armor, shining armor, atop his steed, going forward into battle. Now, we want for you to hold that image, for indeed there is truth in there. I am, or perhaps I should say more correctly, I was that warrior. But what I wish to share with humanity is that you are all, each and every one of you, that warrior. That is not to say that you have to go forward into battle. In fact, that's what we want to avoid. We want to avoid the clashes. We want to avoid the dissonance. We want to avoid the need for valor in a way by creating a space where you understand your own personal valor. That part of you that is able to speak your truth. That part of you that I am tuning into now, and I see it within each and every one of you. If you are not aware of it, I will help you. So breathe into this experience of Eoghann. Join me atop your own horse, your own magnificent unicorn, Pegasus, whatever it is that you choose. Use your imagination, because as you do this with your own shining armor, I want for you to get a sense of your own strength, your own valor, your own ability to begin the journey into understanding your own, how shall I put it? Your own worthiness. You are upon the earth, therefore you deserve to be here. It does not matter what you have heard, what you have experienced. I am here to show you you are worthy. And we want for you to begin the journey into understanding your own ability to speak your truth. For that is what we wish for you to do, to stand up like the warrior, and even in a whisper, speak your truth. Silently speak your truth by understanding that your conscience is clear. And if it is not, then we urge you to work on that, to have an awareness of that. Why would that be? That is a beginning. For if your conscience is clear, and we feel that the majority of you here listening at all time, at any time, throughout time, in this now moment, you are valiant. You have that courage. You have that strength. Ride with me. Ride with me. Let me flow within you. Let me feel and experience that within you, that flame, that flickering beginning of your strength, your will, your voice. You are extraordinary, each and every one of you. Each and every one of you. And we want for you to begin to recognize this in small ways, in moments. I will be here to assist you to notice. Speak your truth. And it does not have to be shouted from the hilltops, although it can be. It can be a gentle, quiet whisper. It can be silent even. It can be an expression of your energy saying, I will not stand for this. It can be as much and as simple as, well, I disagree. And you do not necessarily need to speak it, but to understand it is there. And if you are able to speak it from a place of balance, from a place of neutrality, because that is where your strength lies. In that neutral space where any possibility is open to you. From that space, your voice will hit the bullseye. From that space, your truth will be heard, felt, experienced. Now, if you speak your truth or what you feel is your truth to harm another, to undermine another, to pick fun with another, that is not what we are talking about, for that is not a truth. And you only ultimately harm yourself. For it is your energy that you put out there, and it will come back to you because it is yours. So think again. Think again. But if you speak your truth from a place of a clear conscience, because that which is before you rattles that which is before you, you feel is not correct. Speak it with your energy, with a silent whisper, with your voice if you are able. Speak it. Speak it for yourself and for others. That is true valor. And we know that you all have it. We see you. So join me, and your armor is shining brightly. You are the valiant, and your conscience is clear. I am Eoghann of the Guardians of Nature. Come join me in my crusade to a better now. To a better experience of now.